Introducing ReConnect, an innovative high-frequency wireless power transfer system created by AAT in collaboration with our technology partners, Bumblebee Power. This groundbreaking system allows refrigerated containers to receive power wirelessly, eliminating the need for manual plugging and unplugging. Initially, ReConnect was developed focusing on automated container terminals, where the integration of reefers remains a challenge, preventing ports from becoming truly fully automated. Currently, the plugging and unplugging of reefers is undertaken by technicians. In automated container terminals, they require access to specially designated areas, requiring isolation measures to make this feasible. However, the process is slow, disruptive and hazardous. Often these isolation measures interrupt the container stacking operations, and require the development of stacking arrangements which are inefficient and reduce capacity. We believe we can overcome all of these issues with wireless power transmission. Wireless power transmission involves the transfer of energy via an electromagnetic field across an air gap. This method is contactless and requires no human intervention. Our solution is called ReConnect. It is a two-part system, consisting of a transmitting pad, which would be part of the port's infrastructure, and a receiving pad, which in the long term will be integrated within a reefer, but in the short term, installed on the back of the reefer. The key benefits are no manual plugging or unplugging required, resulting in increased on-terminal safety through reduced interactions of people and machinery, improved terminal productivity, reduced power-off times for reefers and reduced risk of cable damage. In terms of the reefer unit itself, we see ReConnect being introduced in three solutions. The first, a demountable solution, with the reefer connected to the receiving unit using its existing power cable. The second, a retrofit solution, with the receiving unit being retrofitted into the reefer. The third, and final iteration, an OEM solution, with the reefer manufacturer incorporating the technology into the reefer. For a new terminal, the integration of ReConnect would result in significant savings for civil infrastructure. No longer would there be any requirement for reefer gantries, and increasing stack utilization would result from the removal of passing slots and no longer requiring centralization of reefer storage areas. For an existing terminal, there would naturally be an increase in CapEx associated with the upgrade of the existing electrical infrastructure, but these are anticipated to be relatively minor. OpEx reductions are expected to be wider-ranging, including staffing savings, increased utilization of container stacking areas, increased performance of yard cranes and more efficient yard planning. We do not expect any increases in OpEx, with the efficiency expected to be at 95% or higher, with little to no moving parts, meaning the lifetime of ReConnect is similar to other electrical equipment on the terminal. The first phase in the development cycle of ReConnect was Phase 0, which was designed to be a robust demonstration of the proof of concept without needing larger-scale trials on an operational port. Our requirements were to power an actual refrigeration unit from startup and running under a steady load, with a reasonable air gap. Our specification was therefore to have a maximum power capacity of 9 kW, allow a peak current of 32 amps, provide an air gap between transmitting and receiving pads of 12 centimeters, and allow for a misalignment between transmitting and receiving pads of plus or minus 5 centimeters. Let's watch a demonstration of the Phase 0 proof of concept. What you have just seen is a world first. This unique wireless power transmission technology provides high power and high efficiency, with a high tolerance to misalignment. The technology is years ahead of the competition, with our estimates of existing technology requiring something in the order of 10 times the size, with moving parts and an order of magnitude more expensive than ReConnect. The demo system works with any typical reefer, and the reefer retains its plug for use at locations where only power sockets are available. As well as a high transmission efficiency, it only provides power when a reefer needs it and consumes no power when a reefer is idle or not present. We believe ReConnect is truly groundbreaking. ReConnect has been developed by AAT through collaboration with our technology partner Bumblebee Power, a spin-out company from Imperial College London. For further details on ReConnect, please contact either Jonathan Tyler or Richard Crowther. Thank you for watching.